In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group shapes in PowerPoint. This is a useful skill that can streamline your workflow and give your presentations a polished, professional look. Grouping shapes allows you to manipulate multiple elements as a single unit, making it easier to move and format them consistently. First, make sure PowerPoint is open on your computer. Navigate to the presentation you want to work on. Open an existing file or create a new one. Ensure your slide has the shapes you want to group. Next, select all the shapes you want to group. Hold down the Shift key while clicking on each shape individually. This ensures all shapes are included in your selection. Once selected, right-click on any of the highlighted shapes to open the contextual menu. In the menu, look for the option labeled Group. Click on it and then click Group again to confirm. Once grouped, you'll see a single bounding box around all the shapes, showing they are linked together as one unit. Grouped shapes can now be moved, resized, and formatted collectively. This saves time and ensures consistency, especially in complex layouts or designs with multiple elements. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently group shapes in PowerPoint, making your presentations cleaner and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.